Morning all, thanks for tuning in. Hope you're having a great day. It's just me and Malcolm today.
Morning guys.
I'll let you lead up that one, sir.
No worries. Watch me make a fool of myself.
We all do that plenty, don't worry.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Nah, if you get into trouble I'll help you, mate, you know that.
Too easy, matey. Let's rumble.
Oh, it's a full-on hill climb. Go Malcolm! Oi. Oi. Woohoo! Oh Jesus! They put a big bloody log there, mate. Hang on, I'll give you a hand to get over it. Hey, I'll just get mine over it first. You're right, I'll go round you the outside there. Maybe not. Come on, Winnie. Nope. If in doubt, just get off and walk it over, kids. Shit's quite. That's good. That's good. That's knee deep. Yeah. It comes up to me knee, that log. I'll just walk her up here and I'll lift your front up. Ride her up to there. And then once you get your front over, I'll heave the back over. Oh, the starter's gone again. No matter. Have a rest, mate. And we'll kick her in the guts again.
Ooh, she's asleep on.
a wonderful single track, this one, really nice. He's working the canyo. Yeah, KO, that's it. Oh, that's an excellent corner, that one. Whoever made this track, thank you. Legend. Whee! Oh! Riding on fire, Malcolm. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, I hate mud. Bum, bum, bum. Take him, Winston. Yeah, you're firing me up now, Malcolm. I'm getting fired up. Let's do it. There's 10 points. Oh. way will he go? Ah, nicely done, mate. That's a great corner. Oh, here's a chance. Winston's gonna take him. Winston's gonna take him. He's done it. Woohoo! Ooh, that was very slippery. We're in the jungle. Anyway, how's everyone doing today? My fellow moto vloggers? Or should I just be a moto flogger? Flogging my cheesy videos. Now this can be tricky. Watch how I do this. Hey, I'll spot for you, mate.
Alright, mate.
See how I just come up that edge along there?
Yeah.
I'll just spot for you here.
Yeah.
And the rest of it's easy. Yeah, too easy, the rest of it.
You want to do it for us, mate?
You want me to do it?
Yeah, I'm feeling.
You're not feeling it?
Yeah, not for that at the moment.
Alright, no worries, brother.
Apologies, matey.
No worries. If you're not feeling it, just let me know, eh? If you're not feeling the best, we don't have to do this. We can go back. Just sneak up the edge, people. And just drop him down in there. If you just stay on the outside, the rest of it's a piece of cake.
Alright, buddy.
That's bloody slick coming up there, huh?
Try walk at the cunt.
Oh, that's greasy as. I wonder why it wouldn't get going.
Oh yeah, she's bloody gooey.
Yeah, now I'm going to fall ass over tit walking down it. You watch. Oh yeah, you are half the time up here, eh? As soon as you get off it, you hurt yourself. Oh, I've got 5 inches of mud on the bottom of my boots already. That's the trouble up here. It gets a bit rainy or a bit wet. some of this red clay country, forget it. It's just almost impassable on a bike. It's like trying to ride on black ice. Can't feel me foot pegs, I've got too much mud on my boots. Alright, we'll roll on, mate.
Yep.
Yeah, anyway, this is us today. Normal old glasshouse mountains. We will be doing some, me and Shane are going to do a small adventure ride soon, so that'll be a bit different footage. We're actually going to, it's about a 500, 600k return trip. We're going up to a place called Kenilworth via mostly bitumen roads all the way up through some beautiful mountain passes and that, and then we'll go riding up, stay overnight probably, and go riding in Kenilworth for a day, probably come home the next day, probably 3-day trip or something. And that's some absolutely spectacular riding up there. It's just amazing. Really, really nice location. Most of it's rainforest. But it's really steep country too, and some really fantastic trails. Some of the hill climbs are just stupid. This is a fun one to come up. It's pretty steep, this hill. It's got a lot of big rocks and step ups and stuff, as you can see. Probably more sketchy coming down it. Look at that other track to the left, that bit rocky bloody thing. I would have roared up that in my 20s, completely fearless. Nowadays, I look at hills like that and I shit myself. Ew. Don't think poor old Malcolm's feeling the best today. We'll get you out of here, Malcolm. Get you on some easier trails. Man, I love this thing, eh? It's just a weapon off-road. So good, does everything I want. It's only a 250, but that's all I need. I'm not a big guy. I'm only 5'7" and about 70 kilos wringing wet. So this thing doesn't even know I'm on it. It's rare I use the map switch on it too. That's max power now, I guess. It just seems that mapping seems to, in map 1 it's a bit more linear power delivery, smooths it out a bit. And in map 2, yeah, she full torque, full everything. The full Monty. And you can tell there's quite a noticeable difference between the maps. They do vary quite a bit. I notice on map 2 she's pretty thirsty on the petrol. But in map 1, that's what I mostly just leave it in. I get about 250 kilometres to, I think it's a 9 litre tank, so that's not bad. It's pretty good really. It is really good on petrol, this thing. There's some nice scenery, beautiful day. I really should be watching the road.